Hi, I'm Martina from the Customer Engagement team here at Glassdoor. Today, I'm excited to talk about how to enhance your profile with social media and videos. The social media and video section of your enhanced profile lets you connect your social channels and upload engaging videos. This not only helps potential candidates connect with your brand across platforms, but also enriches their experience on your profile. So, how do we get to this section? First of all, log into your Employer Center, and then you'll take a look at your home screen and click on Employer Profile. From there, we'll see Company Info and click on Social Media and Video. Here, you will see a sample social module revealing how your content will be displayed in the public-facing side of your profile. The featured video is placed in Section 1. You can upload a video to be embedded in the cover photo at the top of your profile. This is a high visibility spot where candidates will see it first, making it a great opportunity to showcase your company. Social media badges will be included in Section 2. Here, you can add icons for your social pages like Instagram or X. These icons will appear on the right side of your enhanced profile. Your social media feed lives on Section 3. You can link your Facebook and X feeds so these updates from the platforms automatically appear on your Glassdoor profile. Finally, for Section 4, you can make use of the video module. Here you can input your YouTube channel, link up to 5 individual videos from YouTube or Vimeo, and you can choose whether these videos appear on the left or the right side of your profile. Now let's talk about some tips for selecting content. First of all, focus on candidates. Choose content that highlights your company culture and what it's like to work for you. Share insights about your workplace environment, team activities, and why now is a great time to join. Also, be engaging. Aim for content that is visually appealing and candidate-friendly, rather than focusing solely on your products or services. We encourage you to use these features to make your profile as engaging as possible. If you have any questions or need help with this or any other features, don't hesitate to reach out to support@glassdoor.com or contact your dedicated Glassdoor support team. Thank you for watching.